Welcome, today I am with Beats free solo wireless headphones, and I will show you how you can check the battery level of these headphones. So when you turn on your device and connect them to the Android smartphone, and also install the Beats application from the Play Store, when you open, you will find the battery capacity in this place. So we are currently on the 89%, and you have to go here when you are in the application, and the other options are available, like for example the app settings. So you have to click here, then go for the My Beats, and the battery level will find in this place. So as you can see, it's very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.